What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to We Teach AI Design. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to do some interior design for Earth's mightiest heroes, the Avengers. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so the tool that we're going to use today is the free version of ChatGPT. As you see, it's ChatGPT 3.5. We're going to go ahead and prime it first. We want to tell it what we want it to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here into Canva so that way you can see the prompt that I'm using. We want to tell it, I want you to act as a prompt engineer for Midjourney, ending each prompt with AR 1920 by 1080. That's the aspect ratio. That's going to make it that every image that we create is going to, every description that they give rather, is going to have the aspect ratio that we want. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. We're going to tell it to ChatGPT, I want you to act as a prompt engineer for Midjourney, priming it. And you always want to do this first. You always want to start off with this so that way you can always, everything that you create afterwards, you could just tell it what to do and you don't have to like keep repeating yourself. Okay, and it reads, certainly, I can help you generate prompts for Midjourney. Could you please provide more details or specific topics you're interested in? That way I can tailor the prompts to your preferences. That's exactly what we want, but we're not done with ChatGPT yet. Our second prompt that we're going to put in is give me 10 examples of state-of-the-art living rooms from various superheroes from Marvel's Avengers. We want to let ChatGPT do all of the thinking there. We're going to go ahead and paste it here. We're going to have them break down from each Avenger there is, instead of me kind of one by one saying Black Widow, Tony Stark, the Hulk. We're going to have them listed out, and we're going to have them list out 10 different Avengers with the actual description of the living rooms that we want. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Prompt 1, design the ultimate living room inspired by Tony Stark's Iron Man suit, incorporating sleek, futuristic furniture and advanced technology seamlessly into the space. I love it. Let's go down to number 2. Create a luxurious living room inspired by the Black Panther, vibranium-rich surroundings featuring a blend of Wakandan aesthetics and cutting-edge modern design. And as you see in each prompt, it has the aspect ratio. So all we have to do is go ahead and hit copy, and we're going to dive right into Midjourney as we always do. As I always tell my students, we're going to start in a direct messenger, then messenger bot, and then that's when we want to go ahead and put our command in. So we're going to paste that command in. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. We're going to actually go into ChatGPT, and as that is running, we're going to go ahead and copy our next prompt. Gonna paste that in, and you see how much more simpler it is to be able to just kind of just tell ChatGPT what to do, and you can just simply just copy and paste each prompt as they give it to you. It will save you a lot of time, a lot of headache, and really a lot of guesswork in terms of what's right. You know, these prompts we can always modify, we can always kind of remix, add to, take away. But I'm going to kind of show you how quick we could put together just 5 different prompts and what the result could be. Perfect. We're going to click enter. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here at the top. All right, our first prompt was the Tony Stark living room. Let's take a look at it. Love it. I like the arc reactor. It's like the arc reactor door. I love it. It's like they got the red. This is more like the kind of yellow look. Bottom left, got the red, got the blue. Not sure if I'm getting Tony Stark, but I'm definitely getting futuristic. This seems like they got the moon in the background here. I'm not sure if that really shows. I think this is really showcasing Tony Stark well, because of course he would have an image of himself here, but I think the top left hand corner is definitely the winner on that one. Let's take a look at the Black Panther living room. dope. I like it. It's very sleek. It's very noir. Got the green plants, just, with the black. I like that top left-hand corner. The right one I really love, of course, Black Panther, rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman. Got the image of the Black Panther right here. Oh, okay. This bottom right one I really enjoy. I'm really liking this one. This is just the mask up top, and I'm really digging that one right there. This one right here at the bottom left, I think it's a miss because this guy looks like Ant-Man. So again, it's AI art, so it's not going to be perfect. So, but we could always, if we wanted to rerun it and do 4 different versions, then we could always do that with the re-roll as well, just to let you know. This is Thor's Asgardian heritage. So looks very sleek, very Asgardian. I like the top left hand corner with the big window view. Top right corner, bottom right corner. Not sure what mountain this is supposed to be. Maybe it's an Asgardian mountain. I feel like this one right here definitely has the kind of Odin-esque Asgardian just flair to it. I really like the top 1 and 3. I really like that one. So let's take a look at this one. This is Bruce Banner's scientific prowess. Top left hand corner. I love the touch of the library and the books and the simplicity. Really dig this one. I think this is probably my favorite one. It's this top right hand corner one. Definitely fits the Bruce Banner type of vibe. And last but not least is Captain Marvel. Favorite one right here. Very vibrant, very bright, and very just really eye-opening. I just love like the detail in regards to the interior design. Just to kind of like go back to the prompt, we didn't tell it to do too much. We didn't make this long drawn out prompt. I think for Captain Marvel we said create a vibrant and energetic living room inspired by Captain Marvel's cosmic adventures, featuring bold colors, dynamic patterns, and space-themed decor. So it's nothing that's really long drawn out, but yet the details are absolutely there. I love the cosmic background, just to kind of play up the fact that she's in space a lot. So yeah, man, this is incredible. All right, so I just got done reading my text from Nick Fury. He let me know that he loves the living rooms, he loves the decor, he loves everything about what we did for each of the Avengers room. And I like to thank ChatGPT, the free version, for helping and assisting us with that. Just to let you guys know, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment below. And please, if you can, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that good stuff really helps out the channel. And until next time, y'all, peace.